Hi guys, you're going to be taking, I think, our last set of notes over tutorials. So you should have one of these. The sub has been asked to pass it out. It says topic / objective. So using a pencil, you're going to fill out the topic / objective, which is going to be tutorials explanation. Again, you're doing this in pencil, and this will be for a grade. Tutorials explanation, and then you can go ahead and fill in your name, your class, and the date. And then our essential question is going to be something along the lines of tutorials, but it's basically kind of like why we do tutorials and how they work. So essential question, why do we do tutorials, and how do they work? If you need to pause, you can to copy this down. Again, you're doing this in pencil, and this is for a grade, and we're all doing it. Okay, there's going to be multiple sections for the notes. So you're going to have a question about why do we do tutorials? So that question would go here, and then you would take notes over here about why we do tutorials. You're going to have a question called what is the purpose? So that would go further down, and you would discuss what the purpose is. You would take notes over here. You're going to have a question that is what is the goal of tutorials? So I would put that here. You'd have room to write. And then you have 4 more questions, and so then I would move those to the back. So I would do the first 3 questions on the front, and then the last 4 questions on the back. The last 4 questions are how do tutorials work, which is super important. I want us to make sure we take thorough notes over that. A lot of us didn't do super hot on the tutorial quiz, which means we don't totally understand them yet. And I want to make sure we understand the point and how they work before we do them. Why is your participation in tutorials important? So again, that would go over here. And then we talk about level 1, level 2, and level 3 questions. So levels of questions would be the last, and then you'd write about levels of questions. Okay? So you're going to take notes in pencil. You're going to take notes in pencil. You're going to do that right now, and then we're going to come back and talk about what you need to do next.